Namaste and welcome to our Navratri color series. I'm your host Shantha here, and today is the first day of Navratri and the color of the day is yellow. Navratri, meaning 9 nights, celebrates the 9 facets of Shakti, the divine feminine energy. Each day is symbolized by a different color, creating a kaleidoscope that represents the diverse qualities of the goddess and the vibrance of life. In the sacred text Devi Mahatmyam, goddess Durga is celebrated as the supreme force who restores cosmic order. She embodies courage, wisdom, and compassion, qualities we seek to invoke during this festival. Let's delve into the significance of yellow. In the RGB color model, yellow is created by combining red and green light at equal intensities R255, G255, B0, symbolizing balance and harmony. In Sanatana Dharma, yellow represents knowledge and learning. It's associated with Brahmacharini, the embodiment of devotion and piety. Yellow is synonymous with sunshine, the essence of creation, and the primary source of energy for all life on earth. The sun or Surya is revered in Hinduism as a symbol of vitality and enlightenment. By wearing yellow today, we connect with the solar energy, invoking warmth, clarity, and optimism. The color stimulates the mind and intellect, encouraging clarity of thought and creativity. Embracing yellow brings joy, freshness, and a sense of enlightenment, qualities essential as we begin our spiritual journey through Navratri. So, as you don yellow attire today, reflect on its deeper meanings. Let it remind you of the sunshine that nurtures our world, the knowledge that enlightens our minds, and the divine energy of Goddess Durga that empowers our spirits. Thank you for joining me on this colorful exploration of Navratri's first day. May the brightness of yellow illuminate your path and may the blessings of the goddess be with you. Stay tuned for tomorrow's episode where we'll unveil the significance of the next color in our Navratri palette.